Welcome to Travel About, everybody. This is yet another food review. We are in a restaurant called Scarpetta on the third floor of the Cosmopolitan. This is your more higher-end restaurants up top here on the third floor. And we're going to try out, this Italian obviously, and we're going to try out some stuff we've never heard of, and honestly, I'll be honest with you, we can barely pronounce it. So, as is everything in the Cosmopolitan, it's absolutely beautiful in here. Hardwood floors, long bar. We are looking out a window, sort of looking out a window at the Bellagio fountains. Leslie can see them, I can't. We're in a little corner booth thing here. Really nice, comfortable. Anyway, I'm going to show you some of the menu. Don't freak out. Don't comment about the prices if you don't want to, because you know, we are where we are. And I'm sure every single thing on this list is amazing. And we've eaten places that cost more than that here. And I've gambled so much here, it probably isn't going to matter anyway. I'm going to, in other words, I think I'm going to get it for free. I think I'm going to get the short rib risotto here. It just looks like the best thing. Although they do have another version of it up here. The 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐯𝐞𝐈, I don't know what the hell that is, but that's got the short ribs in it too. Leslie doesn't like horseradish, she wouldn't eat that one. So we got filet, steak, short ribs, veal, chicken. And on the flip side, I didn't know we were going to need to take a class in Italian to eat here, but on the flip side is your appetizers up top. Prima, I don't know what that means. I have no idea what that means, but you can see what there is. And I don't know what that word is either. It says 11 each. I'm starting to think this entire page is appetizers. I'm starting to think, why would you get 11 each? 11 mushrooms, 11 asparagus. Maybe it's $11. It's $11, guys. I'm an idiot. You probably get 3 mushrooms. Nobody gives you 11 mushrooms. There's also a tasting menu. It's 200. How much is that tasting menu? The tasting menu, it's $125 a person, and you get about half of the stuff on this menu. And that's not horrible. We paid $175 a person at Emerald's a while back, and we ate till we about exploded. So I'll show you what the food looks like when it shows up, and if it's not too crowded, I'll try to do a little walk around so you can see the inside of this place. It's pretty awesome. Our bread has arrived. I'll get this menu out of the way. We haven't actually ordered any dinner yet, but our bread has arrived. I'm going to show you what we got. We've got 5 different breads. Sit this on your plate for a second. And we got some spreads, too. Looks great. Alright, guys, we had to put our order in. I did get that short rib, so we've got bread with meat in it, I think. Bread with meat. I don't really know what's in here, but there's 5 different kinds. Anyway, we got this. These are spreads. This is an eggplant. I believe this is butter, and I believe that is olive oil. Let's get one. I want that bread with the meat on it. I want to check that. I want to see what that is. Hold on. Hey guys, we're digging around in the bread bowl, and we found this. Spinach, olives, I don't know. Leslie's going to try it and find out for us. She got a berry smash cocktail. I do not even know what it is because the menus are gone. But
vodka and berries.
Vodka and berries. I'm sure it's delicious. It was $17 if you want to know. I'm going to take a bite of this without anything to see what it is. I think it's salami, some sort of Italian salami. That is amazing. I'm going to put some of that eggplant on this. Wow, that is good. This meal is going to be something, guys. Hey guys, I put, oh, that was so good. It's like a salami-ish flavor, prosciutto, I don't know. Anyway, I got a little eggplant, I got a little butter on this, and I'm going to dip it over in the oil. We're going to go in for the trifecta here. All right. Eggplant, butter, oil, meat bread. How bad can it be, guys? Oh my god, that eggplant. Wow. Hang on, Leslie's got one going over here too. Okay, she believes this is a spinach wrapped inside this bread, and she just put butter on hers, and I'm gonna tell you what, that is some amazing butter. And I'm sorry about the light, guys, it is dark in here. Anyway, give it a shot. And I am sure it's quite delicious. Yes, she agrees. Have you tried your drink? Is it really good? Berries and everything? Okay. Well, we're 2 for 2, y'all. It's not overpowering. It's good. There you go. We just can't leave a place this good without getting dessert. And that right there is probably going to be the one for me. Although that is amazing looking. I mean, there's nothing here that isn't amazing looking. And that's it. That's your dessert menu. Wait, there's something on the back. I don't know what it is. I haven't looked yet. Okay, there's more on the back. It's not really a dessert. Well, anyway, there they are. But obviously, we want whatever's on this side. I'm gonna go for that cheesecake right there. I'm not sure how I can go wrong. My braised short ribs with broccolini, port reduction sauce, and a pumpkin puree. Was 5-star, guys. In fact, if there was a 6-star, they've hit it. Leslie's tortellini, she claims is also a 6-star. So, and she eats a lot of tortellini, and she would know. Drink, 6-star, 6-star drink. Water, yep. We can't really. It's just tap water. The bread, 6-star. So far, we've given this 5-star restaurant a 6 stars. Pretty good. Let's see how the dessert is, and I think it's probably going to go to 7 stars after that. Whoa! Couldn't resist. We got 2 desserts. We'll be checking those out. I got that mascarpone cheesecake with all the stuff. You saw it on the menu, and Leslie got the chocolate cake with the amaretto. Yeah, the amaretto. So we're gearing up. She brought us spoons. So if it's, how can it be bad? Oh my God, that was some of the best food I've had ever so far. Before we devour this, I want to show you some of the attention to detail here. On the bottom of the plate, they swirled the raspberry and then placed it on top. And over here, they did a smear and placed it on top. It's just such attention to detail here. Yes, this food is expensive, but you know, sometimes in this world, you get what you pay for. and we're getting it tonight. Final, yeah, presentation, smells, taste, it's all here. These are 5-star desserts, guys. Anyway, final review and prices when we're done devouring this. Guys, final review, you've pretty much heard it all already. Dinner, 5-star. Dessert, 5-star. Cocktail, 5-star. What else can I say? It is dimly lit in here. I'm going to do my best to show you this bill, but here we go. Berry smash, short rib, 45. Tortellini, or tortelli, not tortellini. 27, 15, 11, 124.63 is our total. And we actually thought it was going to be more. We find that pretty reasonable here for the Cosmopolitan. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little review. It was kind of impromptu. Didn't even know we were going to eat here. So we're going to take this receipt down, and we get 575 identity points when we turn in this receipt, which is awesome. Use that for something else. This place, the Cosmopolitan, is just phenomenal for comps. Just everything. I just can't say enough good things about them. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because there's more Cosmo coming. That's right. This is not our first trip and not our last trip. We will be back very shortly to do it again.
Life